25 foam rolling exercises to relieve pain and soreness, guys. We're gonna be using the trigger point today. I got plenty of different exercises for you guys to use to alleviate muscle pain, whether it be your biceps, your chest, your back, your lower back, one of the most important parts on the adult body, as well as your lower body, guys. So stay tuned for this entire workout so that you guys can get all of the exercises that are gonna help you alleviate some pain. Let's get to the video. All right, just like that, we did over 25 different foam rolling exercises for you guys to alleviate muscle pain. If you guys need any other advice on what you guys should be doing inside of the gym, check down below in the description. I have plenty of different chest exercises, back workouts, leg workouts, even different pieces of equipment for you guys to use to target your entire body. Plenty of ebooks for you guys to check out. Check down below again in the description for all of that great information. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Let's get it.